Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox and put together this LED ring light. It has some cool features like 120 LED lights, USB charging, it can be adjustable, it has tripod, flexible neck and 3 light modes. I think this is going to be a great new thing to my home YouTube video. So let's start. I paid for this one only 25 euros, which is equivalent about $25. So let's see what we have here. This is LED ring, obviously, USB cable and phone holder. And here we have the tripod neck and some other stuff. First, I only unscrewed this tripod stand. You can see here it has some plastic bolt and it's very easy to just unscrew it. Next thing I'm moving is just this plastic cap here, and now I can put and screw this on. Next easy step is just to screw this flexible neck to this ring. Then we just need to put this phone holder on this ball right here. Now when we put this phone holder, we just have few easy steps to finish up this setting. We need just to put this ring to this bolt here. And now this LED ring is ready to use. It was very easy job, only few minutes to assemble it full. Now only we have to bring just usual mobile phone adapter for this USB cable and connect it, and we hope it will gonna work. So this is the light remote control. It only has few modes: on-off button, adjusting the light and changing light mode. So let's start it and hope it will work. Wow, it's so bright. Now let's change some modes. Look at this. Look at that. And this is one also cool feature. You can adjust light. Look at this. Wow. Now the brighter. Great. It's so great. So guys, this is the main features of this tripod. You can change the angle of these legs with this button to be wider or closer. You can put it up and down to change height. And here, this screw, you can change the angle of the light. You see here how the angle is changing, yes. And here you can change the angle of this phone holder. I think this is a real nice piece of technology. Light is perfect, better than I expected. It's unbeatable for this price, 25 euros, which is about $25. It's very modest price in my opinion for this great piece of equipment. So I will use it in my videos, and I hope my videos with it will be much better. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will be very important to me. Thank you.